Do a quick video of how I fixed the 3 to 4 shuttle shifting and torque converter lockup issue. So on my 01, I did the BD noise isolator and pulled the ground from around the alternator, and that fixed it on my 01. On my 99 here, I did the BD noise isolator. That didn't work. Did a ground from the PCM to the negative passenger. That didn't work. Did a new alternator. Did not work. So then I found a forum link, an actual forum link, not a Facebook forum, about a grounding some dude did, and he pulled that wire, that ground wire, out of this wire loom, and then it separates. Let's see if you can see it. Separates into 4 separate ground wires. So you cut them off, strip them out, put them under a butt splice butt splice lug, not a butt splice lug, a ring terminal lug, and then on the back of the timing cover there's a bolt hole that is open, and I believe it's an M10 times 0.08, I believe, is the thread pitch. And then you run a number 6 ground from your negative to that also, and wow, yeah, it fixed everything. I mean, the truck runs better than it did before I even had the issues. Truck run, like, it shifts so much better. It actually downshifts when it's supposed to, and all that stuff. Like when you're going up a hill, it was always like a laggy shift every time you go to get on it, and this thing is running so much better. Hell, it's even 200 RPM. I don't even know how this is possible. 200 RPM lower at 75 miles per hour than it was prior. I'm getting, so I was going to post this video a while ago, or a couple days ago, but I wanted to do a full, like, 4 or 5 day stretch. I'm getting like 2-3 more miles to the gallon now. And the truck is just running way better. But yeah, so anyways, that was my fix. If you guys got any questions, just let me know. Cool, see you.